How to add extra member on Netflix. So if you want to add extra members on Netflix, then just follow the steps. First, you need to go with your Netflix account. Open up your Netflix account, and the next step is to select the profile picture, which will be on the upper right. Once you go with the profile picture, now you need to select the account option. Click on the account, which is right here. So you just need to simply go with the account, which is right here. And after that, you need to go and buy an extra member slot. You just need to simply scroll down and click on buy an extra member slot button. It sits under the extra members subsection. So here you will have the extra members. So you just need to simply go with the right side, which has buy an extra member slot. You need to click on it. Once you click on it, you just need to simply click on next. And after that, you need to enter your payment and you need to confirm your new payment and then go with start extra member and click on the next button. And after that, enter the name, email address of your extra number and click on next. And after that, once you've verified, you need to click on next again, that if you've entered the correct details or not, and choose which profile you want for your extra member. And that's it. You can go back to your Netflix, click on go back to Netflix. Once it finished, you will need to wait for your extra member to accept your invite before they will appear on your Netflix account. So that's how you can add an extra member on your Netflix. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.